Hey guys, so if you remember a while back I did a video on how to lubricate your propeller shaft, which is required every 15 to 20,000 miles to maintain your Toyota 4Runner. There was a comment posted below by one of the users that told me to get a lock and lube. 30 bucks, I bought one. In the front drive shaft, the portion that is connected either to the gearbox or your transmission or whatever, right, basically where your driver door is, because it was so far inside, it was really difficult for me to release my grease gun from the Zerk fitting. In addition to connecting it in the first place, this thing made it a breeze. Okay, I got the Zerk. All right, let's see, removing it. Oh my God, that was absurdly easy. Alright guys, as you can see, this is one of the most difficult points. Alright, so your rear propeller shaft is like right here, in the middle, and it goes back. Your front starts here, right here, and it goes all the way up. Okay, right here, at this point, and it goes all the way up. This is the most difficult one to get to. It was extremely easy. Get the lock and lube. Connected, not bad at all, and released. That's great. That should be easier.